What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Pam. I hope you guys are doing okay and taking care of yourselves. And today I wanted to share with you guys this Glam Your Nails secret mystery box. It's from Rossi Nails. They sent me to try it out, and I'm just gonna show you guys all the goodies that are inside. You guys, this packaging, I love it. Love it, love it. With that pink and everything, looks so cute and girlish. So yeah, let's just get into what's inside this box. So first, I am gonna show you this powder that comes in that box. So it is called date night, and it's like a pink shimmery color that is so pretty and definitely for a date night. So the next thing I got is the base coat, the activator, and the top coat. I'm just gonna show you guys those around here in the next slide so that you guys can see what we are dealing with. So you guys, make sure you're checking out my description box to see a link where you can purchase this. I'll leave all the details in the description box like I said, so make sure you check that out so that you can purchase yours and just take care of your nails. So before I get straight into the video, I just want to throw in a disclaimer that I am no nail technician or anything like that. I'm just doing my nails at home, trying my best to look good and everything. So I already had like some press on nails, just random press on nails. You can use whatever you have around and what works for you. So I'm just cleaning those with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this color. You guys, this color is so pretty. It's so pretty. So first things first, I am gonna use the base coat on each and every finger nail that I have, and then I'm just gonna be applying the powder like slowly. This process, you must do it slowly because you wanna make sure that you look like you're coming out from the salon, you know what I mean? So first we apply the base coat and then we apply the powder. So this is the first step that I was trying to do. This was very, very like, I think I would be going with this step, but I'm just gonna show you guys another step that you can do, like another way of achieving this these nails, and just keep it moving. So like I said, it was my first time. I made a lot of mistakes, but in the end we turned out great. We always do, you know what I mean? So yeah, so this is the first step, but just keep watching so that you guys can see the next step. That I would prefer to use that one instead of this one because it works much faster and better. So this is the other way that you can actually get your nails done really fast. You just apply the base coat and dip your finger inside the powder. And I must say this gets a little messy, but what you prefer and what works for you is what you're gonna do in the end. You don't have to follow these steps. You can just pick one and see which one works best for you. So with my other hand, I went back with the first step because I felt like I prefer that one. I was just like in the middle where I am like, should I do this one or should I do the other one? But everything turned out perfectly. But with this step, you have like control of the amount of a powder you're actually putting on your fingers, on your fingernails, on your press on nails. So it kind of like it was perfect, but also gets messy. So I guess all these methods get messy, but in the end we get it done. So let's just keep watching and see how we're gonna turn out. We're gonna pop and make these nails pop. So after everything has dried up a little bit, I'm just gonna apply this Rossi activator. This is what's gonna make everything settle and activate the powder and make it look popping. You know what I mean? You know, it has to pop. It has to pop. So I'm just gonna do that on the rest of my nails and then get into the next step. So for the next step, I waited for everything to dry up, and now I'm just gonna, like, you know, remove the excess and make sure that I am shaping like the top part, because that's where like I have like layers and bumps. So I was just trying to make sure that I smooth out everything before I apply the top coat. This is just gonna help you to just, you know, smooth it out so that everything doesn't look too bad, you know. So yeah, after this step, I'm just gonna apply the top coats, and you guys are gonna see the final. Oh my god, I was so in love. I was so in love. So I'm just gonna apply this top coat over here. I would sometimes prefer the matte look finish of my nails, but today I was like, since I have everything around here, let's see what we can do. And you guys, the final, you have no idea you have no idea. Just check this out, guys. Check this out. Your girl did it. She did that. I did that. I was so happy. And you know, progress, first steps, you know. So I was so happy with the final look of the nails. I was like, I'm just gonna do this again and get different shades of this powder because it is so easy, you know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment down below what you think and how I did. And yo, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.